On Thursday, a National Weather Service forecaster presented the agency's winter outlook for the Pacific Northwest at a workshop involving emergency services professionals. The outlook shows that a normal winter is as likely as anything in the inland Northwest.
So, like Gary said, they came out with their new forecasts. Here's their latest forecast for the December, January, February period. And they have a better than average chance of warmer temperatures in the Great Lakes area, stretching through the middle of the country. This EC means equal chances, which is just another way of saying flip a coin. They really don't know. There's so many competing signals, and the fact that one of the big signals is that they're not looking at an El Nino or La Nina, they're looking at neutral conditions. That means, unfortunately, that they really, it could be any of the three, as far as below normal, near normal, or above normal. This is for temperature. And then for precipitation, lots of EC all across the northern tier of the states, and just a little bubble of above normal, potentially above average for Oklahoma. If I was a climate forecaster trying to forecast a big picture, I would have erased that line right out of it, because their accuracy just, I don't think, is quite there yet. So I wanted to point out in their discussion, it was kind of interesting that I was reading this morning, they are talking about their temperature forecasts, and they happen to make an exception. So the only exceptions for the Pacific are for the Pacific Northwest during the December, January, February, which I was just showing you, and then especially into the spring, where consolidation signal is weak and blah, blah. I won't bore you with that, but they actually did say that the Pacific Northwest is giving them a little bit more trouble in their forecasts right now than other parts of the country. So they have even less confidence in their forecast for our neck of the woods than, say, if we were in Arizona. But just to throw out what they were talking about for the spring is they do show a below normal temperatures for the spring. This is for the February, March, April average. So again, take it, like I said, these little bubbles, I tend to kind of wash them out when I look at them, but that's one of the things that they were looking at was the potential for a cooler spring for us.